I like to think of a course outline as a blueprint for building your course. It's your plan for how the course will be structured. Like a blueprint, you'll use your outline as guidance when you start building your content. You can make your course outline in a spreadsheet or text document. I've attached an outline template to this lecture that you can use to create your own course outline. This template will help you plan the sections and lectures for your course, a description of each lecture, what content type you want to use in each lecture, i.e. video, article, coding exercise, etc., additional resources to include, and timing for each lecture. The template includes an example you can use to help you fill it out on your own. Go ahead and download the outline template and get started. Remember to group related concepts together in your sections and follow your learning objectives. Cover a single concept in each lecture and try to keep your lectures short. Studies show that learners start to lose attention when videos are longer than 5 minutes. Aim to include at least one activity or assessment per section of your course. Also remember that Udemy has some minimum requirements for courses. Your course must be at least 30 minutes long, have at least 5 separate lectures, and cover valuable educational content. Once you've completed your course outline, review it and ask yourself, does the course I've outlined cover all of the learning objectives I identified? Would the course I outlined meet my learners' needs? Are there activities that will help my learners achieve the learning objectives? You may find that you want to add in more information or reorder things based on your answer. Great work! You've now made a really solid plan for your course following best practices for instructional design. In the next section, we're going to start creating your content. Are you excited? Let's go.